Charted space is home to hundreds of alien races. Some have risen from their homeworlds and spread to the star systems around them. Others are either incapable or content to remain where they are. When playing an alien race, it is tempting to focus on a couple of points that makes them stand out from humans, but this can result in all aliens seeming one-dimensional. The beauty of playing a member of an alien race is to dig down into what makes them different and how that difference affects their interaction with other races. The Darrians are known to be a pacifistic race who value excellence in scientific and artistic endeavours. Many militaristic races have scoffed at this, thinking Darians an easy target or that their outlook makes them inconsequential on the galactic stage. Nothing could be further from the truth. The Darrians are heirs to some of the most advanced technology available in charted space, and their advancement continues. For those who believe they can conquer this race of pacifistic scientists and artists, the Darrians have a feared weapon capable of causing a sun to go supernova, giving any aggressor cause the Star Trigger. The Geonee have claimed to be the descendants of the ancients, and they have the ruins and remnant technology to support their claim. When first contacted by the Villani, they were thought to be a major race, until it was discovered they had reverse-engineered their jump drive from a recovered ancient starship, causing the retraction of their position and relegating them to become a minor race. The Geonee have struggled to have their achievements recognised by the greater interstellar community ever since. Dolphins were gifted sovereignty by Genesis, a genetic engineering corporation founded on Soleimani principles with the intent of providing the humans of Terra companions to colonise the galaxy with. The project was a success, and dolphins have become recognised as a minor race in their own right. Their communities are based on principles of total freedom and equality, but they owe a debt of honour to the humans who gave them reasoned thought. The Orca are another race granted sovereignty by Genesis, but this time grudgingly. The project to raise them up to a minor race suffered a serious setback, which nearly ended the programme if not for the generosity of the people of Suffren. Matriarchal and aloof, the Orca are far less friendly than their dolphin cousins and do not share their outlook. Instead, they hold principles of matriarchal veneration and mindfulness as the core of their civilization. The Bwaps evolved among the swamps of an alien world. Their civilization grew slowly through cooperation and the universal belief that they all have an individual and unique place in the universe to fulfill. Their obsession with minutiae and fine detail placed them in the perfect position to make themselves indispensable to the bureaucracy of the Zero Circa, and their close relationship with the First Imperium allowed them not only to influence their position within it, but to gain access to technology denied other races.